How to make a photo collage on iPhone without using any third-party apps. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way on how you can create collage without going through any hassle. Firstly, tap on your search bar and search shortcuts. Now you have to tap on the option called Gallery, which is on your bottom right corner of your screen. Kindly tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can now search for the option called Photo Grid. It will now show you the option. All you have to do now is tap on Add Shortcut. After you do this, it will automatically add it on your shortcut. Now tap on Shortcut, which is on your bottom left corner of your screen. Here you have to tap on the Photo Grid option. As you tap into it, you can now select the pictures that you want to make a collage. Tap on Add, and it will prepare a collage for you. In this way, you can make a collage without using any third-party apps. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.